Do you know where your food comes from? A couple days ago, we showed you what a food system is. Now we're back to break it down. As usual, when it comes to food, it all starts with the land. Before we even dive into how food is produced, we have to talk about the land that it is produced on. Many farmers own their land, some rent, and some operate on community-owned land or on land that is owned by the government for community use, like a community garden. In a food system, we focus on land that is owned and or operated by farmers and other farm workers for the sake of food production. We care about this land because, in addition to providing us food, the health of the land affects our environment. Agricultural production is the next step in our food system. And this might be a step you're familiar with because it's generally everything that happens on a farm. Farm workers plant seeds, maintain crops, take care of farm animals, and harvest to bring food to your table. While some food goes straight from a farm to a consumer's home, most food at this point enters a complex supply chain that we'll dive into in our next video.